This week I've got the Citroen C4 to test with my family, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow our socials. Number 1 is the boot space in the Citroen C4. A Bugaboo Donkey 5 twin or duo fits in the boot really nicely with the seats or bassinet removed. Number 2 is this fantastic dashboard iPad holder, and there's a little drawer to store it into. Number 3 is I can fit 3 InfoSecure child seats across the back row, which is fantastic. I've got 2 InfoSecure Attain More and 1 Achieve More in the centre. And legroom is great too. We could fit a 180cm driver in front of a rear-facing child seat or a 186cm front passenger. We've really enjoyed our week with the Citroen C4. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.